Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we will see Lenovo Active Pen 3 in detail. So this is our Lenovo Active Pen 3 and you can check the specification. This is Canada 310 and we have two buttons here. One is on top and the bottom button we have in this pen. Then this is not a chargeable pen. You have to use the battery cell with it. So there is no charging slot in this pen, and this is a cell we have with this specification. This is 4 times A and you can get it easily from market. This is not very costly also, so you can replace it as and when you required. So this is how you can use this pen with battery cells. And now we will see this is the point we have with Active Pen, and now we will see what are the range of Active Pens available in market apart from Active Pen 3. So by Lenovo, there is a quite various pens provided by Lenovo. This is not specific to tablet only. You can use Active Pen on laptops and some other devices also. So this is the range of Active Pens we have, and you can go to their website and you can check this is the latest one is Lenovo Active Pen 3, and they do not have any specifications on their website as of now, but you can see features and specifications for various other pens available, and we can see how we can use Active Pen effectively and how we can configure it with the desktop or laptop if you want, if touch is supportive there. So this is how we can use, and let us go to specifications now. So for example, like for Chrome pen, you can see high pen resolution 2540 lines per inch and 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity. Same for IdeaPad laptops and Select Yoga tablet that we have, and here we have 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. Okay, so this is the specification we have, and then now let us check with the app how it is working. So this is how palm, in this app you can see we have palm detection. So when you press the button, the finger button shown above, so it is showing it is not working with palm, and now it is working with the effectively with Active Pen. So this is with pressure first line, and the other one is very light written. Okay, so now let us go to usage of buttons there. So we have two buttons, top and bottom. So on tablet right now you can click using these buttons, and you can just move to different tabs. Let me show you. Whenever you are clicking, I'm not just pressing eraser, I'm just clicking buttons on the pen, so it is directly moving to rubber section. Eraser, you can use eraser by just clicking on buttons we have on Active Pen, but it is not very effective, and sometimes it is working and sometimes it is not working. So right now it is very hard to use, but this is a use of Active Pen buttons we have. So now you can see I'm just pressing buttons and it is just moving to eraser and pen accordingly by clicking on the button that we have on Active Pen. Okay, so now we have a complete series. You can check using this document how you can configure Lenovo Pen buttons with your laptop, and this is a complete detailed document that we have explaining how you can configure Active Pen with your laptop, and what is the usage of buttons we have, and how you can customize button usage. So we have single press, double press, long press. So you can open, but directly clicking on buttons of your Active Pen, you can configure it accordingly on your laptop. This feature is not available on tablet, but surely you can use it on laptop. So this is for left click, right click, fourth or fifth click also. So it will work as a mouse buttons. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and let us know if you have any other question. Thank you.